AI fabric inspection machines have officially commenced operations at the facilities of leading overseas clients, primarily designed for the inspection of woven fabrics. They operate stably within real-world production environments, leveraging a high-definition industrial vision system combined with AI algorithms. Defect detection accuracy has reached over 95%. Inspection speeds can reach up to 60 meters per minute. Fabric inspection efficiency has improved approximately threefold, delivering faster inspection speeds while maintaining consistent accuracy. This reduces the risk of missed defects, thereby ensuring more stable quality control. From manual inspection to AI-driven detection, the approach to quality control in the textile industry is undergoing a transformation.